In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana and Slack to streamline your business. We'll explore how these two powerful tools can work together to enhance your team's productivity and communication seamlessly. First, let's focus on connecting Asana to Slack. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the Apps section. You'll want to search for Asana there and click on Add to Slack. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. You may need to grant some permissions for the integration to work effectively. This setup allows your team to manage tasks directly within Slack, meaning you can quickly take action on tasks without needing to switch interfaces. It's a real time saver and helps keep everyone aligned on objectives and tasks. Now let's look at how you can create Asana tasks directly from Slack. When a team member mentions an action item in a Slack message, it's easy to capture. Simply hover over the message, click on the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 dots, and select Create a Task in Asana. From there, you can assign it, set a due date, and add it to a project. This functionality ensures that important messages don't get lost and are always turned into actionable tasks, keeping your team organized and on track. Next, we'll discuss how to get Asana updates in Slack. You can choose specific projects to send notifications into Slack channels. For instance, a channel like Marketing Campaign Updates could be set to receive all new tasks, updates on due dates, and task completions. This reduces the need to continually switch between applications, as updates come straight into your Slack channel, making Slack your communication hub, while Asana remains the hub for execution. Additionally, you can use Slack commands for Asana to keep your task management frictionless. Here are a few useful commands. Typing Asana Create allows you to start a new task. Asana List shows you your assigned tasks, and Asana Help provides a quick overview of available commands. These are designed to streamline how tasks are managed directly from Slack, making it a more dynamic task management environment. Finally, let's streamline approvals and feedback. Instead of lengthy Slack conversations, guide your team to link directly to the Asana task. This way, approvals, file uploads, and comments can all be managed within Asana. Quick discussions can happen over Slack, but Asana should be used as the main source of truth where task information is concerned. With these steps, integrating Asana and Slack will make your team collaboration more effective, keeping communication clear and task management smooth. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips enhance your team's productivity.